College of Westchester been real good to me since I've been here. It changed me from being a person that was antisocial to talking to everybody in the crowd without being nervous. Like, you have to talk with confidence. Look, I'm about to graduate, walk across the stage. I'm ready.
I chose to go to College of Westchester because it's definitely put a bow on my package, you know, on my professional package, on my personal package. It's added that last touch. I have to tell you, I've worn some really lovely pieces of clothing in my lifetime, but this right here is the best piece of apparel I've ever owned, and I'm so excited about it.
You have succeeded. You are here. And this is just one step in what will be a long history of continued achievement.
Without the college, I probably honestly wouldn't have a degree. And you're not just a number, you're a person. You walk down the hall, the staff knows your names, students know each other, everyone's friends, and I like that.
I chose CW because they challenged me to be better than my better.
I would definitely recommend the College of Westchester to all students because College of Westchester helps you find your path.
We are a family of students, faculty and staff who share common goals and a sense of community. While you can't choose your family of origin, we have all chosen to join the College of Westchester family.
I'm taking the next step into, my future where now I'm going to go and open my own business, become an entrepreneur, and then one day say, I got all this from the College of Westchester. They're the ones that taught me.
Life is a daring adventure, or it is nothing. And all of you decided to dare to improve your situation.
Members of the faculty, administration, and guests, it is now my privilege to present to you the College of Westchester graduating class of 2015.